Peace and greetings everyone, Divine Zeal here. I wanted to do just a quick video on some February updates. First of all, thank you everyone for the attention and appreciation for the up and coming project, Project StarBeam is currently called. And these PCBs will be available pretty soon. Been getting a lot of questions about it, and currently I'm just trying to get the, I'm testing like everything in the circuits, making sure everything goes well, because like there is kind of a lot going on here because there's 5 modules. I'm actually testing 5 NRF24s on one ESP32. And I'm also waiting on some new modifications and improvements, because I've been getting a lot of questions too about how to make it stronger, the range of certain antennas, and just really want to just break down some RF radio frequency engineering foundations for you guys, because I think it will really help a lot of the questions. And I'm making pretty decent order from AliExpress. Getting a few new modifications, like we're getting RF power amplifiers, RF bandpass filters, some special cables too. I've been looking deep into just like a lot of different cables. For instance, you're gonna need probably some cables like these, but there's also different variations. Like these are RG316s. I'm getting some RG58s, and those handle a lot more noise and the transmissions that we're going to be pumping out. And I'm also getting some different antennas. There's some Yagi antennas, if you want to look into those, that are more directional. And then there's a few different other types of antennas. So I really want to test everything out, because I could suggest some stuff, but I'm still waiting, because like this is still phase 1. You know, there's going to be at the moment 3 different phases for this project. And phase 1 is just, you know, this is its own entity. And then phase 2 kind of involves combination of these, and then phase 3 is like the mothership, and I'm still working on some things involved with that, but we're kind of just trying to take this all the way to the greatest point we could possibly take it to, because I'm trying to move over to other things. Trying to move over to other things, like with the Hack RF and the B210 SDR, the Libra SDR, moving it more into some cellular 4G, 5G security testing. And not just security testing, but we're working on making our own private mobile 4G network. So there's a lot, way more things to go to. So I really want to wrap this up, but I want to do it right. And you also really, you know, you really can't, I mean, you could, but it'd be really annoying to do this on a breadboard. So I'm going to definitely give what you need to assemble this if you want to. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. But I don't want to release this because I'm still testing things, and with the additional modifications, there should be no questions about range, about power, you know, but it's gonna be a lot more advanced. Like with this, you're gonna need external powering. With the amplifiers, you're gonna need external power sources as well. So I'm thinking of ways to really combine and make this as easy as possible, because if you're having issues with, you know, the first Bluetooth jammer, then this is going to be way more advanced, but not impossible. And the code too I think would be really great, because it seems like a lot of people are having problems connecting multiple ESP32s, and the circuits do get a little bit complicated. But like I said, I'm testing 5 NRF24s on one of these. So I think really the sky's the limit, and you can kind of be creative too, which the phase 2 will incorporate multiple ESP32s. Because I have seen some few projects that use a master-slave idea, chaining multiple ESP32s to do a lot of crazy things. Like I saw this one guy, he had 5 ESPs for war drivers. So we had 5 ESPs just all running at the same time. So, you know, there's a lot of creative things you can do, and that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to test all these things for you. I got tons and tons of stuff just for you guys. So just bear with me. We are working on a ton of new PCBs. So you got some schematics there. February, I'm going to be making a ton of PCBs with PCBWay, and we're updating quite a few things, like the current cipher jammer that has the 2 NRFs. Those are getting a screen, and it's going to have 3 NRFs, at least 3. I kind of want to put spaces for, like if you wanted to add 5. But there's going to be screens and buttons. The 433 megahertz jammer, or the car key jammer, is going to have a screen and buttons. I've been really converting the original 433 megahertz, the CC1101 jammer. I've been converting the whole code into something else, so it's just more easier, so you don't need to use the serial terminal. I'm making a PCB for the 5 gigahertz jammer as well, with you know, with the screen and the buttons. And I'm working on a way to add your own external 5 gigahertz antenna. I think that's what people really want. So bear with me. But there's quite a few new things coming out on top of wrapping this up too as well. And I'm also working on, I have this contract that I'm working on, and we're making basically some next level tech for federal and law enforcement personnel, that anywhere from cops to TSA to any of the 3-letter companies. We already got some deals up in the works. So not only am I just doing this stuff, but I'm making really crazy next level stuff that federal and law enforcement people are going to be making. So please bear with me, but I'm doing my best. So yeah, it's just a quick update. Happy Chinese New Year. It's the spring equinox, spring festival. You know, if you're in China, peace and blessings. And hope everyone's doing well. And please let me know if you have any suggestions on what you want me to go over. I will add it to the list. I like to make this a community-driven channel. Thank you all for your comments. They're really helpful and really inspiring. Some people right now, even though this is pretty cool, there's some people who got some really crazy setups going on, as I've seen in the comments. So that's inspiring me to go harder. So as always, stay peaceful, stay positive, stay progressive, stay productive, stay proactive, and I promise you, you will be blessed. As always, Divine Zeal signing out. Peace.